asked me to be here tonight to be with you all. So with that, I would like Dr. اشرف عباسی to please come to the podium.
Thank you, Umar. Before I give my formal address, I would like to recognize a couple of people, and I want you to give a big round of applause. First of all, to our MC, Umar Khaja. It was the applause. And then our new Consul General. We welcome him. He's a great man, and we are really very grateful to you that you attended this evening. And last but not least, our chief guest, Dr. صدیقی, all the way from Turkey. And the President and Director Operations of عافیہ Foundation Incorporated, الحاج موری Salaham. Chief guest, Dr. صدیقی, our Consul General, Muhammad Aftab Chaudhry Sahab, and Afia Foundation,